Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back with us in AMB Academy. And what I'm going to share with all of you today is how to create a simple website to comply with Google latest requirement, which we have to create an account deletion URL setting. So what is account deletion URL setting that we need to actually put into the Google Play Store is you need to create something like this. Alright, I did just a very simple one whereby we need to give instruction how to delete your account in our mobile apps. What is this, ladies and gentlemen? When user has already downloaded your app with some features that you put in your own mobile apps, there definitely will be a feature whereby your user will have to put in their email address and their password, their names and so on. So Google wants all developers to allow your users to delete their detail inside your app. So you have to give them an instruction, and we need to put in the URL into Google Play Console. So what you need to do is just give a simple instruction. First step, please click at my account or account setting in the mobile app. You cannot use these images, ladies and gentlemen. These are my images in my mobile apps. So what happened is that you need to create your own images from your own app. So what do? First and foremost, you must actually, inside your app, you must actually create an account, okay, put in your detail, and then when you have created the account, then you will have this. So dependent on the type of layout that you have selected, like my layout in Katina Abdul Ghani app, I have this. So I can actually go either in account setting or in my account. Alright, so you have to do this, click. And then after that, second step, click at setting at top right. Then third step is click delete my account, and then yes, delete for final deletion from the system. Okay, then Google also as an option is asking you whether you allow your users to actually send you a form, alright, so that they can ask you to delete their account, alright, their details. So this is option, okay. And I have put it here, and then I click submit. Alright, and this is, they put their name, their email, phone number, and they need to, this is the most difficult part. Okay, copy and paste the URL link, because we have so many apps in one account. So they need to identify to us which is the URL links. So this is whereby they need to copy and paste. How do they go about finding the URL? So find the app to be deleted in Play Store, click at the top right, okay, share to yourself via WhatsApp, then the URL link. So you can do your own initiative in giving this. But ladies and gentlemen, this is an option. So if you don't put this in, this is okay at this point of time, as this video is being created. So Google may change in future and not giving you as an option, and it's not an option, then you have to put this in. Alright, how do we go about doing this? Okay, what we suggest is, ladies and gentlemen, is for you to open a free, using a free tool. You can use any website builder that you are familiar with. A majority of our users are not programmers, alright, so they may not be able to actually source for it, and we do not encourage for you if you want to spend extra cost. But if you have the funds to actually buy a small domain and we have small hosting, that would be great, but we are not encouraging that at all, because this is good enough. Okay, you can use 000 web host. It's free forever, ladies and gentlemen. However, you need to actually log in at least once a month. Okay, so I have actually created my account already. Okay, one web host, we can create 2 free website, alright, using a subdomain. Alright, so it's okay. So I'm gonna sign in. Alright, okay, it's gonna take a bit time because they are asking you to actually purchase their domain name and hosting. So let me just log out first so that I can then show you Okay, where is the sign up button? Okay, so it's raining outside, ladies and gentlemen, but I know that this video is important because it just come as a requirement, a new requirement by this 7th December. So I'm going to do that. So when you click sign in, you will see this, okay, and what you need to do is that you need to click sign up here. But I already have an account, so I'm going to copy and paste my account. Okay, I recommend you to put it somewhere, alright, so that you can just copy paste. Okay, so I'm going to create another subdomain. So I already have one. So in one account they allow us to create 2 free ones. So what did I do? I click here, create a new website, and I click here. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do let me do a travel, travel and hotel bookings, right? Travel and hotel booking. So I need to put in a password, so I'm going to use the same password. Alright, I'm going to click create. Okay, this sometime will take some time, so I'm going to pause the video for a short while. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so when the process is done, it will come out here. So what we need to do now, we need to create a WordPress and the login function for the WordPress. So I'm going to click here, select. So I'm going to put in back the email address. Okay, I'm going to put in the password, and I'm going to continue. Alright, so this will still take a bit time, so I'm going to pause this. Okay, so what happened is that our CP panel should have been created. So what we do, first and foremost, let's copy this first. Okay, I want to copy this and put this inside mine. Okay, then after that, how do we check? So we just slash this wp dash, and we should be going into the wp admin. Okay, so now let's put in back the email. And then let's put in the password and log in. Alright, great. So what happened now, let's just put this in again. Just want to show. Okay, so what happened is that we have this is the block, and this. So we need to turn this into this. Alright, so how do we go about doing that? So we go into the WordPress, and then we click here, all pages, and there is a simple pages done here. Later on there will be another page coming up. Alright, I'm going to click here, edit, and then I'm going to change this to account deletion. Alright, and then we're going to delete all these. Delete. Yeah, done. So I'm going to put a paragraph there. So we can use this as a guide. So first step, okay. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna put here another one. Before that, I'm gonna just go here. Alright, and then we need to put an image. The image is best to actually resize it to 480 to 320, but I'm now gonna just upload this. So where is my account deletion? I think I put it here. Okay, let us see. Let's go to intro class. Where's my intro? Do I have account deletion here? I think it's in my desktop. Let me see, intro class. I do remember where I put in all those folders. Okay, let me just try one more time. There's no account deletion here, so I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go, where's my intro? Okay, do I have account deletion here? I don't seem to be able to find my account deletion, so I don't think I have it here. Okay, it's okay. So at the end of the day, I do remember where I put my account deletion folder. So I'm not gonna waste your time. So what we will do is that you can just put any images there. Example, let me just put any images. Let me just put these images in. Alright, so you continue. Alright, so you continue, and then you can just add on more here, and then you can, so you can also, then you can continue, right? So most importantly is that you need to do this. So we have not completed yet, so I'm gonna update. Okay, so what happened now, we need to make this page as the home page. So because now it is still this, so I refresh this, it is still this, so we not need to have the account deletion as the home page. So we're gonna go WordPress, gonna go with appearance. Okay, we're gonna go to customize, and then we're gonna do a home page image, click static, and we're gonna put this as account deletion, and we're gonna put here publish, and let's just refresh here. Voila. Okay, now we want to remove this and remove this. Okay, we want to remove on the right hand. Okay, so let's try and find this. Okay, I think this is in block setting, index. Alright, okay, so full width. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, so now block title. This is block title. We're gonna remove this, and that's gone. Alright, so that is in block index, and we're gonna publish this, and we're gonna refresh this again, and voila, it's gone. Alright, so with that, ladies and gentlemen, I have already shared with you our ways of actually doing the account deletion. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you another final things if you would like to take it out. Alright, but this is good to have travel and hotel booking, but you can actually remove this menu. Let's see, where do we remove this menu? Okay, let us go to menu. We do have menu here. Yeah. Alright, so now, okay, so what we do, we can create a new menu. Okay. Simple menu. Okay. Next. Alright. Okay, so you see it has been removed because now it's okay. So let's now just click publish, and let's now refresh this. Yeah, that's gone. Okay, so we do not need that anymore. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, so that's what you need to do. You can play around with it. All right, I don't want to dwell too long on this website. All right, and always remember two things, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, you need to make sure you remember that when you create this subdomain, it must be part of your developer name that you created in your Google Developer Console. And true enough, in one Google Developer Console, we have many apps. So select one of the app, alright, and then you screenshot it so that you are able to do all this. Alright, okay, and you resize those image to what we suggest is 480 times 320. Alright, then secondly is that you must make sure that in web host you must at least log in once. Alright, it's free to use forever, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, but you have to log in once, because if you don't log in once a month, they may actually terminate your whole account in web host. Alright, so please do remember these two things. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Kartina Abdul Ghani. I wish you all the best. Thank you.